If you don't like feeling stressed but still find yourself worrying all the time, you're definitely not alone. Stress is something that creeps into all of our lives, whether it's because of work, school, relationships, or just the constant buzz of notifications and to-do lists. Sometimes it feels like your mind is running a marathon you never signed up for, and no matter how hard you try, you can't seem to hit pause. But what if I told you that your immune system might be playing a much bigger role in your stress than you ever realized? Yep, really. It's not just in your head, it's in your body too. Scientists have discovered that the way your immune system responds to stress can actually change the way your brain works and even how you feel emotionally. Let's get into it. We all get stressed. It's a normal part of being human. Maybe you're worried about an upcoming exam, a big presentation at work, or just trying to keep up with life's endless demands. Stress can even pop up from positive changes, like moving to a new city or starting a new job. But while a little bit of stress can sometimes motivate us, too much can start to take a serious toll. When stress sticks around for days, weeks, or even months, it's called chronic stress. And chronic stress is a whole different beast. It floods your body with stress hormones like cortisol, which are meant to help you in short bursts, like if you need to run from danger. But when those hormones are always around, they start to wear you down, both physically and mentally. Your heart races, your muscles tense up, and your immune system goes into overdrive. You might notice you get sick more often, or you just feel tired all the time. That's because your body is stuck in fight or flight mode, even when there's no real danger. Over time, this constant state of alert can start to break down your body's defenses and mess with your mind. But here's the wild part. Chronic stress doesn't just make you feel bad. It actually sends special immune cells, called monocytes, racing through your bloodstream and straight towards your brain. These cells are usually there to help you fight off infections, but under constant stress, they get a new mission: to invade your brain's territory. Once inside, these monocytes dump out a cocktail of chemicals that stir up inflammation in your brain. This inflammation isn't like a swollen ankle, it's invisible, but it can seriously mess with the brain circuits that control your mood, motivation, and pleasure. The result? You might start to feel sad, lose interest in things you used to love, or struggle to find the energy to get through the day. Translation: stress isn't just exhausting. It can literally drive depression by hijacking your brain. It's like your brain's control center gets rewired, making it harder to feel happy or motivated. And the longer the stress sticks around, the deeper these changes can go. That's why chronic stress is such a big risk factor for depression and other mental health issues. But here's the good news: you're not powerless against stress. In fact, there are lots of things you can do to help your brain fight back and recover. Even small changes in your daily routine can make a big difference over time. Scientists have found that certain habits can actually help calm your immune system and protect your brain from the damaging effects of chronic stress. Things like regular exercise, meditation, and spending time with friends aren't just good for your mood, they actually help lower inflammation in your brain. When you move your body, practice mindfulness, or connect with people you care about, your brain releases chemicals that counteract the stress response and help repair those mood circuits. And don't underestimate the power of sleep. Getting enough rest gives your brain a chance to heal and reset. During deep sleep, your body clears out stress hormones and repairs the damage caused by inflammation. So, making sleep a priority isn't just about feeling less tired, it's about protecting your mental health. Other calming activities like yoga, spending time in nature, or even just taking a few deep breaths can help quiet that immune storm and give your brain a break. The more you practice these habits, the more resilient your brain becomes to stress in the future. And here's something really exciting. Scientists are now testing new medications that target brain inflammation directly. These treatments could offer hope for people with depression that doesn't respond to traditional therapies. By calming the immune system in the brain, these new drugs might help restore healthy mood circuits and bring relief to millions. So, next time stress hits, remember, you've got more power over your brain than you think. By understanding how stress and your immune system interact, you can take steps to protect your mental health and build resilience. Whether it's moving your body, connecting with others, or simply taking a moment to breathe, every small action counts. If you found this helpful, smash like, subscribe, and tell us your favorite stress-busting tip below. And remember, taking care of your mind is just as important as taking care of your body. You deserve to feel good, and with the right tools, you can help your brain stay strong, even when life gets stressful.